Sorry if I'm shaky. I'm out here one-handed holding this. This is my version of the Jet RDC. It's the sound of the J47, and that's an actual jet engine. So I programmed it into a 3 spots. I'll come over here and show it to you. If I can get to my mouse. I got it up here at the top where it says Rev B. That's the startup. Then we have the sound, running sound. And then down here someplace, there's the shutdown sound. So, but anyway, that's kind of what I've been working on today. So hopefully I have to put it all back together and then we'll see how well it sounds there.